This multimedia presentation is to highlight information on bone. Bone consists of specialized connective tissue that has calcium salts deposited in the matrix. This point that calcium is in the matrix is unique to bone. It allows for bone to be less compressible, giving it a better functional nature. There are two types of bone that are important for this course: endochondral bone, which is derived from cartilage, and dermal bone, which is also known as intramembranous bone, and develops directly from embryonic stem cells. At a population level, the evolutionary progression of bone goes from cartilage to endochondral bone to dermal bone, and this takes place through ossification. Bone consists of trabecular or spongy bone and cortical or compact bone, as we see in this first figure here. Spongy bone is porous and ideal for storing bone marrow. Compact bone is dense and used to create a lot of the hard structure of the skeleton. Within each bone is a bunch of bone cells with varying functions to maintain ideal bone function. Osteocytes are the bone cell. Osteoblasts form bone and osteoclasts remove bone. To remodel bone, osteoblasts are the cells that reabsorb the bone. Osteoclasts are the cells that engage in osteogenesis. When they get trapped in the osteon or bone matrix, the cells become osteocytes. To further explain, I'm going to talk through this image to help enhance understanding. As you can see, the red dots are osteocytes. These are connected to another structure which transport blood. Osteons are this cylindrical structure that contain a mineral matrix. Osteons consist of lamellae, which are thin layers of compact matrix that surround the Haversian canal. The Haversian canal has small tubes forming this network within the bone that also contains blood vessels. Our bones allow us to move and provide structural support. They also provide necessary protection of the internal organs from injury. If we were fully cartilaginous, like sharks are, we would not be able to do the things that we do on a daily basis without injury. Studying bone is important to have an understanding of the biological structure that allows us to be well versed in relating the function of bone in all living things.